Did you know that lowering your compressed air pressure from 7 to 4 bar can reduce your CO2 footprint massively and lower your energy costs by up to 29%? No? Well, let me explain. This adjustment not only significantly improves your energy efficiency and cuts costs, but also contributes to a more sustainable future. As we all work to protect our planet for the long-term future, this change supports environmental responsibility by reducing CO2 emissions and help contribute to lower the total cost of ownerships for your machines. Some leading manufacturers are already adopting a standard working pressure for 4 bar due to the stricter regulations and the push for a more sustainable industry. As for machine builders, preparing for this shift now can place you ahead of this curve. This will make you a leader in industry while improving your brand's image. Your pneumatic cylinders are crucial in determining the machine's needed force and speed. While a 4-bar system might require larger cylinder bores compared to that of a 7-bar system, compact and lightweight actuators can provide the ideal solution. We offer a range of diameters, including intermediate sizes, to fit any design needs. If space is limited, our double force cylinder or pressure boosters can deliver the required force without increasing the overall system pressure. Additionally, high-efficiency nozzles and vacuum units optimize performance at lower pressures, enhancing overall system efficiency. The shift to 4-bar is more than just a technical adjustment. It's a step forward, a more sustainable and cost-effective future. Let our experts guide you in designing machines to meet the demands of next level and future standards. Contact SMC to discover how we can bring these benefits to your applications and keep you ahead of the competition.